Good evening and thank you for the opportunity. Today, me and my friend would like to present our study on the effectiveness of the Resomac program on professional competency development among final year UMK students. In today's rapidly changing professional environment, employers expect graduates to only to process the academic knowledge, but also strong professional competencies such as problem solving and confidence. However, many final year students can still face difficulties in translating theoretical knowledge into real world training. This gap highlights the need for more structured and practical learning approach. So this Resomac objective is to evaluate the effectiveness of Resomac in enhancing scientific research skills, critical analysis and supply chain problem solving among SAD students. To examine the extent to which Resomac participate, increase SAD student professional self-efficacy and readiness to interact and compete in the logistic job market. To assess the overall values of the Resomac seminar as a mandatory logistic education component and is relevant to the SAD student specialization. It's also to obtain direct quantitative and qualitative feedback to determine whether the Resomac seminar should be continued or strategically modified. As you can see, the methodology we use is a design quantitative research approach using a cross-sectional survey and also purposes sampling of 1, 2 and 3 final years UMK students. This instrument is a 5-point Likert scale questionnaire administered via Google Form that we hand out to everyone of the SAD student. So this analysis, descriptive statistic, reliability analysis approach, the alpha is 0.952, which is a per person correlation and multiple linear regression using SPSS. So by this, our problem statement has been graduate employability and professional readiness remain critical concern in Malaysia higher education. Despite various university initiatives, employees continue to report weakness in graduate communication skill, confidence, teamwork and professionalism. This indicates that academic education alone is insufficient to meet industry demands. Therefore, this study seeks to evaluate the effectiveness of the Resomac program in enhancing professional competency development among final year UMK students and to provide evidence based on recommendation for curriculum and program improvement. If we look at our research framework, we have modeled this study around 4 very independent variables, which is knowledge transfer, problem solving skills, professional confidence and educational value. So here we hypothesize that these 4 independent variables is directly influence the dependent variable, that is the development of professional competency. Moving into findings, we have conducted an analysis of 123 respondents, and by using the Craig and Morgan sample size, first we confirm the reliability of our study by using the Cronbach alpha. Our Cronbach alpha is 0.952, so that's confirmed. Our study is highly reliable for measuring these 4 independent variables in our model. And when we look at our hypothesis testing, we conduct multiple linear regression. So that analysis provides us an R square of 0.764. That means 76.4% of the students' professional competency is directly influenced by these 4 independent variables in our model. Especially the knowledge transfer and problem solving skills with a p-value of 0.36 and
p-value of 0.27. So these both are the significant predictors of the success of our study. And we also conduct a Pearson correlation. So from that analysis, we found that a strong relationship between the problem solving skills and professional confidence with the R value of 0.899. This means the Resomac program is helping the students to learn problem solving skills. At the same time also, it helps the students to make them feel much more confident as a professional. Consequently, all hypotheses are supported with the p-value of for IV1 is 0.36, IV2 0.27, IV3 0.39 and IV4 0.037. This means our Resomac program is truly effective. Based on our result, we have few suggestions to make the program even better. First, the respondent gave an high ratings for the educational value. So that one we can see from the descriptive statistics. For the mean square of the educational value is 4.2407, which is higher than the other three variables. So this means the UMK should keep showing the students that the Resomac program is effectively helping the students' future careers. Second, since we found the stronger relationship between the professional confidence and problem solving skills, we suggest that adding more practical activities to the program, so that we hope it will help the students to much more ready for their workplace. In conclusion, the Resomac program on professional competency development among final year SAD students is truly effective.